Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a light-duty pickup truck that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO brick tutorial. Let's start with the chassis with a 2x10 plate. Let's take a 2x2 plate with bearing, set this on the right hand side, followed by a 4x4 plate with a 2x2 cutout, set that right here, and a 2x2 plate with bearing, 1x4 plate, and a pair of 1x2 plates with slide. This is going to be our rear bumper. On top of the plates, let's set down a 1x2 plate to secure everything together. Then we're going to proceed on with a pair of 2x2 plates on our 4x4 plate with cutout. Set down a set of 1x4 plates, and in this area a 2x2 plate right on top of the 2x2 plate with bearing. For mud guards, take a modified 2x4 by 2/3 plate, set this right here, and we're going to set a pair of 1x2 plates right on top of one another on this side of the mud guard plate. A 1x2 steering wheel console right there, followed by a 1x4 brick, a 2x4 by 2/3 mudguard plate, and a 1x2 flat tile right in this area. Then let's surround that with a pair of 1x1 bricks. Let's focus on the back. Start with a 1x2x1 wall element. Place that right back here. This is going to be like our fake tailgate. And for rear brake lights, take a 1x1 angular headlight brick. We're going to set a transparent red 1x1 flat tile on the face. We're going to make two of these. We're going to set these in the two remaining areas. And let's flatten these two areas off with a pair of 1x4 flat tiles. Now you're going to have to leave these studs in here. This is the only way to give ourselves a little bit more clearance for the cargo area. And for doors, a set of 1x3x1 doors, both left and right hand sides. Now let's turn our attention to the front bumper and grille. Let's take a 1x2x1x2 downwards angular plate. We're going to set that right there. Take an upwards 1x2x1x2 angular plate. We're going to set a radiator grille right inside. We're going to place this right on the downwards angular plate. And let's secure that with a 2x4 flat tile. For headlights, we're going to take a set of 1x1 angular headlight bricks, place a transparent clear 1x1 flat tile on the face. We're going to make two of these, and we're going to set these in these two corners right here. And we're going to lock all that together with a 1x4 flat tile. This is going to be the front bumper, so this will secure everything in place. Now let's put some side mirrors on our little pickup. So I'm going to take one of these 1x1 plates with lamp holder and a half round 1x1 flat tile, place the square portion of the flat tile where it's next to the stud. We're going to set this one right here in this area. We're going to make another one of these again with another lamp holder and a half round 1x1 flat tile. Set that right in there, make sure everything is straight. Place that right down in there. Now, take a 1x2x2 transparent clear wall element, place this right in the back. This is going to double up as a rear window as well as for headroom for a minifigure. And for the side supports, take a pair of 1x1 bricks, place these on top of one another. Let's make two of these and put these on both sides of the wall element. And a 2x4x2 windscreen. I want to keep the top simple, so I'm going to place a pair of 2x4 flat tiles for the top of the cab. Now for tires, I'm going to take some of these small tires and a small rim. Set the rim inside the tire. We're going to need to make 4 of these. And we're going to place these on the bearing plates. So we're obviously going to need 4 tires for this to be drivable. Set those right on in there. There's our small, lightweight pickup truck.